You say.
Oh, I'm saying.
Yeah, and I'm saying the Chinese.
Today we're making...
Fuck up, ding dan. I'm Chef Lance from School of Wok.
And I'm Chef Ian from the School of Wok.
Today we're making steamed eggs with clams. Fuck up, ding dan. Classic Chinese dish.
Where do we start, Lance?
We're gonna start with steaming some clams. These are some fresh clams I got from fishmonger. We're gonna pre-steam it a little bit just to open up the clams and also release a bit of juice. And we're gonna add the juice into the egg mix to steam it into like a pudding.
So Lance, some people might be very nervous about buying things like fresh clams. Is there anything you look for when you're buying them? Something that would tell you if they're a bit off or something that says that they're fresh?
So they're always in the bag, big bag. Let's just pick it up and give it a smell. And also when it's a bag full of like broken clams, just don't go for it.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna start with slicing some gingers.
Steamed egg is a very, very trendy recipe at the moment, Lance.
Is it?
It's huge. Everyone is steaming egg.
Wow.
All the kids.
How would you like to cook your eggs?
I like to cook my eggs scrambled.
Scrambles.
I think scrambled is what I do day to day.
Yep.
Like really light. I like them runny. I like really runny
Me too,
scrambled
me
eggs.
too. Would you mind just cook us some jasmine rice?
Yes.
You never
Yeah.
have a steamed eggs without
Absolutely.
rice. Okay.
So Lance, I think you've already washed this and measured the water for us. Perfect.
For steaming the clams, also we're gonna put on some just the bottom bit of the spring onions.
Yep.
This is to kind of cover the fishiness from the clams. In Chinese cooking, we use the spring onions, ginger, this kind of strong aromatic herbs to cover the fishiness and the odor, let's say, a gaminess from the meats. So our rice is cooking.
Is it? It's not, Lance, I've let you down.
Okay,
The rice is cooking.
and now we're gonna pre-steam the clams. Clams doesn't eat long, about 3 to 4 minutes. If the ones are not open, that means they're dead, that they're no good. You can just remove it and only add the fresh ones into your steamed eggs.
Nice.
While it's steaming, I'm gonna slice up some garnish, spring onions for steamed eggs. Just crack the eggs into this measuring
Yep.
jar for me.
Yeah.
The ratio of the egg and water is quite important for this dish. We have about 115 ml of the eggs, and we're gonna add in times 1.5 amount of liquid in, which is 225 ml of the liquid into the egg and beat them together.
Nice. I think the thing I always find really interesting about this dish is the amount of water you add to the eggs. Like it really is like a custard you're making.
Yeah.
I think the texture is slightly unusual to a Western palate, especially in a savoury context, the idea of being something custardy.
That is actually same from my side when I just moved here. I was really struggling with eating on the toast. I find it too hard.
toast.
It hurts your ceiling of your mouth.
Yeah. Do we need to do anything else here? We've got the eggs ready. The rice is cooking nicely.
Just
How much?
go wild.
Go wild.
Yeah.
You're going to wish you hadn't said that, Lance. You've got some lovely golden eggs here, Lance.
Yeah. So we've been steaming these for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Nice.
Most of them have open. I'm gonna drain the juice. You keep all the juice.
That's right, it's only my hand, Lance.
So Ian, would you mind just top up the liquid to a 225 ml for me?
So steamy. 225. All right.
That's wrong, Ian.
That's wrong.
It needs to go level.
Oh yeah, it's true. You're so true. You're so true.
I'm just messing with you.
No, you're quite right. You're quite right to say that, Lance. There you go.
Amazing.
Straight in?
Straight in.
We don't need to temper?
Straight in.
Straight in.
Give it a bit of mixing.
Mixing.
So while you're mixing, I'm gonna pick out all the put in earlier. So if it doesn't open, I'll just chuck it away.
So?
Ian?
Yep.
Would you mind just pour all these
Egg mix in there?
egg mix in there?
Okay, yep.
Usually, people will skim the, let's say, the bubbles on top for a beautiful, smooth surface. And today we're not skimming.
No.
We're doing it in a dramatic way.
Nice.
Wait. how to use these. I'm gonna use the blowtorch to remove these bubbles,
Wow.
just for the drama.
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. A blowtorch is always necessary, right?
Yeah. Blowtorch on a bamboo stem.
Don't try this at home, people. And so, Lance, if you are doing this at home
Yeah.
and you haven't got a blowtorch, you can just
You can just skim it.
skim it, which is safer, less dramatic,
Less dramatic.
less cool.
Not cool.
Yep.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna place all these clams into the egg mix.
Yep.
Make sure they're open and pointing
Open
up
and pointing up. So with the shell, yeah?
with the shell.
Yeah.
So seasoning, we're gonna add to the surface up till we fully cook them.
I'm gonna leave this big one right in the middle there. I was gonna say, Lance, I know this because we've spoken about this dish before, but
Yeah.
there's a particular British dish
Yeah,
that you have a fascination with.
yeah.
Tell the people what it is.
Which I have never got to try.
Yeah?
It's called stargazing pie.
Stargazing pie.
Yeah. When I first saw the picture, it reminds me straight of this dish.
This dish. Nice.
I would say this is a Chinese version of stargazing pie.
There we go. Episode 2 of
Testing.
Ian and Lance's Cling Film School. The important thing is not to fear the cling film.
Exactly.
Guys, it's important to cling film properly, to cling film safely. If you haven't seen our recent video, we'll leave a link here somewhere. How's that looking, Lance? Happy with the cling filming there?
Time to stab it.
You are in a real bad mood today. Lance has had a difficult journey to the studio.
Now we're gonna steam these.
Yep. What, back in place?
So we're gonna steam these for about 13-14 minutes until they're nicely custardy and silky.
The big reveal. Oh,
Actually,
wow.
another reveal.
And another reveal. And then we open the clams, that's a third reveal. Wow, look at that.
Do you want to do the seasoning, Ian?
I would love to, Lance, if you trust me to.
Of course I do. We've got some
He's already measured it all.
soy sauce just to cover the top.
Soy
Maybe
sauce?
not all of them.
Yeah,
Just some light soy. Okay.
light soy.
And we've got 2 types of aromatic oil here. Got some sesame oil and a tiny bit of peanut oil. Called to garnish.
Wow, that looks incredible. Okay, Lance, how do we eat this?
Just with spoons. Or you can just use
The shell?
the shell. Actually, I'll just use spoon. It's hot.
And a bit of the rice as well?
Bit of rice.
That is really nice. Really interesting texture.
Yeah.
It's like creamy, custardy.
And you've got the clams. Kind of like a seafood stock to go into the mix.
Yeah, and what's really nice for me is the little bit of the meatiness, the texture of the clam as well. You've got the custardiness of the egg and the like softness of the rice. All three of those textures are really, really kind of interesting.
You're absolutely right there, Ian. And that's what we're looking for in a Chinese meal, all texture in one bite. Guys, if you like our content, make sure you like and comment our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you next time. We will see you next time, sorry. Sorry.
That's actually perfect. Bye everyone, it's been a pleasure.
Again, I forgot.
That's actually perfect. I love that. Yes. We will
No.
You don't know this, Ian, but we've had a chat.